All right, so you can see we got a lot of different packages that need to be updated, a total of 23. Most of them related to PHP because there actually was a PHP vulnerability recently. Last week, CVE 2024-2961 was announced, and it looks like everything was upgraded. It says first, let us check if the system has been compromised by running this command. So let me do that. Oh, I forgot to put in the tick. If there's no output, the system is safe to this vulnerability. If the output is similar to the one below, the system is vulnerable. Read below for the steps to fix it. ISO 2022 CN extension. So yeah, this system is definitely vulnerable. So it's telling me to browse to this directory and edit that file. So we'll do a sudo vim and then edit that file. And this is the one we need to edit right here. So it says go to line 1254 and comment out the following. Comment this out right here. So I'm going to make sure that there's line numbers. I'm going to say set NU. Now we got line numbers. This right here. It wants me to comment out this right here. And then finally, it wants me to comment out this line right here. So these 3 lines. And quit. Let's copy and paste this exactly just to make sure that I'm not putting any typos. It says it should return no output. Okay, now it's returning no output, so it should be good to go now. I am going to be trashing this server later, like I said, but just a little bit on that. There was this vulnerability that was reported earlier this week. Um, you know, this function icon. So that's what the command was about. That's the reason I've never used this command before, iconv, but it's part of the C library. Um, and it says the iconv function in the GNU C library versions 2.39 and older may overflow the output buffer passed to it by up to 4 bytes when converting strings to the ISO 2022 CN extension character set, which may be used to crash an application or overwrite a neighboring variable. There is no assessment provided yet since this vulnerability is so new. We're going to be like a 10. It's remote code execution basically. It was published very recently. It's the 30th of April. This vulnerability was found on April 17th.